In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot with Webflow. This process allows you to seamlessly integrate your marketing and design efforts, enhancing the efficiency and connectivity between these two platforms. So let's dive in and get started. First things first, head over to HubSpot. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the settings icon. It resembles a small gear. Click on it to open up your settings menu. This is your hub for all the configurations you might need within HubSpot. Moving along within the settings, you will notice a navigation menu on the left side. From here, select integrations. This section is where you manage all your third-party connections and apps that interact with HubSpot. Once you're in the integration section, you'll see an option called Connected Apps. Click on it. This area lists all current applications that are linked to your HubSpot account, as well as any potential ones you might consider adding. Next, we're going to find and connect Webflow. Click on Visit App Marketplace. This takes you to HubSpot's App Marketplace, a treasure trove of various integrations you can browse through. In the search bar, type in Webflow. This will bring up the Webflow listing, and from here, you'll want to initiate the connection. Now that you found Webflow, look for the Connect App button and click on it. This begins the integration process. HubSpot will guide you through some basic steps to ensure a secure and accurate connection. After clicking Connect App, you'll be prompted to log into your Webflow account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for this step. Enter your email and password, then proceed to authorize HubSpot to access your Webflow account. This authorization connects the two platforms, allowing them to communicate and share data as needed. With the integration authorized, HubSpot and Webflow are now connected. This streamlined connection will help you manage your digital marketing efforts more effectively, ensuring that your content creation and marketing strategies are in sync. As a tip, always ensure that your accounts in both HubSpot and Webflow are up to date with any necessary permissions set correctly. This practice helps avoid connection issues and ensures a smoother workflow between the two systems. And there you have it, a simple way to integrate HubSpot with Webflow, making your marketing and web design process much more cohesive. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. As always, feel free to explore further options within both platforms to maximize their full potential in your business operations. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.